Listen, read, repeat. Common English verbs list. Be happy. Have a good day. Do the work. Say hello. Get to work. Make some food. Go for a drive. Know, I know a lot. Take a number. See, I can see. Come to me. Think, I think so. Look at that. Want, I want to eat. Give me a gift. Use a fork. Find the answer. Tell your story. Ask a question. Work, I work hard. Seem, you seem lost. Feel, I feel happy. Try again. Leave, I will leave. Call me.